Investing 101, Stocks, ETF, REIT, Crypto, Blockchain, Bitcoin, NFT. What are they and why do they matter? What are stocks? Stocks are an investment in a single company's earnings. Investors acquire stock to gain a profit. Stocks are a technique to accumulate money. You own a share in the firm that issued the stock. Regular people can buy stocks in some of the world's most successful companies. Stocks can help companies fund development, new products, and other activities. What is an ETF? An ETF is a fund made up of multiple companies from the same industry. Owning an ETF is like buying a small stake in its overall portfolio. One way to look at it, consider a supermarket or grocery store. If you prefer cereal, you can buy the entire cereal aisle or a section of it that is included in the ETF you are investing in. You can Google the names of the ETFs in any industry to see which companies are involved. What is an REIT? Real estate investment trusts own and/or manage income-producing commercial real estate, whether it's the properties themselves or the mortgages on them. Essentially, you're buying a share of various real estate assets or mortgages. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is an electronic currency in which transactions are validated and records are kept by a decentralized system rather than a centralized authority. There are several types of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. Some governments, towns, and company owners have begun accepting cryptocurrencies as payments for goods and services. Bitcoin hotspots include New York, San Francisco, and Vancouver. On blockchain platforms like Ethereum, cryptocurrency may also be spent. What is blockchain? The blockchain is a system in which a record of transactions made in Bitcoin or another cryptocurrency are maintained across a network. What is a Bitcoin? You undoubtedly have heard of Bitcoin, the most well-known and oldest cryptocurrency now receiving widespread media coverage. Currencies are valuable because they are used as a medium of exchange. The cryptocurrency Bitcoin has value because it holds up well, but it lacks value as a unit of trade because most businesses have not yet accepted it. One Bitcoin created in 2008 is currently worth over 50,000 USD. Bitcoin wallets normally require a cryptographic key or password to access. It cannot be replaced once issued. What is an NFT? A non-fungible token is a form of digital currency not equal to or measured by traditional fungible or tradable currency. The blockchain creates and/or contains NFTs. An NFT is thus a cryptographic asset. NFTs are designed using comparable technology to cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. However, NFTs have a fixed value and cannot be traded for another of the same value. Cryptocurrency has more value and transparency. You may trade one Bitcoin for another. NFTs are anything that has value and can be sold or bought on the blockchain using Bitcoin. Why this matters? This shows the real-world applications of cryptocurrencies. Most of these currencies are growing more legitimate as they are used more frequently. The barriers between digital and actual reality are blurring, and investment strategies are evolving. Athletes, musicians, and others are now accepting Bitcoin and other cryptos. Understanding these digital currencies and investments will help you to protect your future money.